All right, friends, we are going to make the easiest spooky season DIY from Dollar Tree. So if this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. So we're getting close to Halloween, and maybe you want some really fun Halloween earrings, okay? So 10 pieces, so you can make 5 pairs of earrings with this, and for $1.25. And these are glow in the dark, so super cute. So really, really easy. The nice thing with these, like I thought that I was even gonna have to put the hole in them. And when I looked a little closer, they even have a hole in them already. So you could actually make a really cute I'm like, what do you call it? Garland. Garland is the word. You could make a really cute garland with this if you wanted to. You could also, okay, so I was also thinking this would be really cute. You could get a piece of like a small white string of lights, like fairy lights. And you could put the same little hooks that we're going to do for the earrings in here. And you could hook these up around some fairy lights and put them like around a plant, you know, like a little tree or something. Really cute. Now, I'm going to make earrings with them, and this is fun. So, you know, for yourself, you have teenagers, you want to, you know, they want to give them to friends. Like, these are really cute. So all you need, your earrings and then some jewelry pieces. So I have a bunch of different jewelry pieces. So like these guys here, they came from AliExpress. These ones they have like a, you know, like a little longer chain on them if you wanted to do something like this. So it already has like this, the little eyepiece here, right? So you could do those, which is what I'm gonna do. But I just want to show you, you could also, you know, do just your little eye hook, different sizes, and then add your little earring to it. It doesn't have to be these long earrings. I just happen to, you know, I have these long earrings and I like them, so I'm gonna do them. So really easy, and we'll do a pair also with just the regular ones so that you could see both, since it's so easy and so quick. And I got a little pair of pliers here, and I'm gonna use these to just open this up. Maybe if I could get a hold of it. I might need a second pair of pliers to hold, just because I can't hold it. Hold on. I just need something to hold this on, just because I can't really get a hold of it really well. Then I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm gonna feed it through the hole. And then just close it back. So there's one. We'll do another one. Find a piece that opens. And here are our earrings, super cute. So let's do some, let me put this away. Let's do some with just the regular pieces too. Like, see how super fast these are? Like, you can make super Super cute earrings, great to give away. Especially if you have, you know, like young teenagers. And I just got my little earring pieces here. So again, these earring pieces, you can pick these up. Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, wherever. I just need something to hold it because I can't grab it super well. Sorry, my neighbors are, their lawn people are here. It's really late to have the lawn guys cutting, but whatever. Now I'm just going to close it. And also, just so you guys know, like on the edges, I mean, you might not have UV resin, and you don't need that for something like this, but I always put like super glue or UV resin down, just because I don't want, you know, it to slide through the little hole. So there's one. And we've got them like this. But look how easy these were to make. Super, super easy and really cute little Halloween earrings. And again, so you can make 5. There's enough to make 5 pairs, and these come out really cute. I'm going to turn out the lights and let's see how glow in the dark they are. All right, well, we're in my closet. It is the darkest place I have. So you're going to have to trust me that these things are glowing in the dark, because I can't get them on camera, but they're definitely glowing in the dark. All right, so anyways, here are our Halloween earrings. They turned out super, super cute, super easy, like a couple minutes to make them, and really inexpensive and super fun. So listen, I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful. Hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.